Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to give you guys a little bit of update on the Trias token. A bunch of people are asking me about Trias. Want to give you my thoughts on what's going on with them right now. Want to also give you guys a quick update on the Dafi token because it's one of the newest low cap gems that I talked about on this channel, and I am still pretty bullish on it and thinking that it's pretty undervalued. And I want to talk to you guys about this Bitcoin chart because, as we know, if this Bitcoin chart doesn't hold up, then none of our altcoins can withstand the onslaught that happens when, you know, $10,000 of value drops out of Bitcoin, which is billions of dollars out of this market. So looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, before we get into that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, help a brother out, share the videos and stuff like that. So first things first, looking at this Bitcoin chart right here, we're on the daily Bitcoin chart right here, and for the longest time, as soon as we broke below these levels, it's been, hey, look, we needed to stay above 43k. So that's where I have this green line set up in here. That's the level that we need to pass now in order to get to this area right here where it kind of dropped with a little bit of, like, not that much volume, and it was real quick, and we can hopefully jump through that real fast and try to get back above 50k. But that's the upward target that we need to pass right now, is 43k. First things first though, the first one is the 40k level, because we've been in this range for a long time. I was saying in my last video that hopefully this 13 and this 34 start to curve up and give us a cross right there. That would look pretty cool. On the weekly, we got above the 13. That's pretty good to see, because I was thinking that, hey, this cross needed to started to get negated, but getting above the 13 is the first one. Getting above that 34 is the next one. If we keep pumping, it should be somewhere around that 43k level. So that's where I want to see us pass next. But it wouldn't surprise me if we don't get past that level and we come back down and test like 35k and give it some time. If it doesn't pass this level at this time, this is just a relief rally, and it's gonna look bad if we come back down towards the 30k level. But if that happens, if we bounce off 30k one more time, that's like that generational buy zone that was on the Bitcoin Mayor chart, in my opinion. But right now, it's not looking like that. Right now, let's get through this first. Let's see if we're going to pass through 40k and close there. Definitely on the weekly chart. Let's see if we can get above there and close that on the weekly chart. On the monthly chart though, I want to show you guys something really interesting. This is where it gets pretty tight and maybe a little bit exciting for me, saying, hey, we might be able to remove this whole cautiously bullish, cautiously bearish, and just pick a side, because right now we're still in that no man's zone. So looking at this RSI down here, I have this green line marked, and it doesn't look like it's anything special until I explain to you what I'm seeing. Now, going all the way back since this chart was even invented in about around 2012 right here, you see when it bounced off this level on the RSI, which was about 57 is where this line is set, or 59 is where this line is set. Nice bull run, right, all the way up. Nice bull run. Looking at the historical data again, seeing when we bounced right here, nice bull run all the way up. Nice bull run. We bounced on it right here, nice bull run all the way up. Nice bull run. So we are bouncing on it again, even though we just came down and we're starting to curve up. If we bounce on it, then yeah, nice bull run again. That's what I'm expecting. But that will look very similar to what happened back here in 2013 and 2012, like coming back down and then going back up. But if it doesn't survive this rally right now and get above these levels, this could just be like a short-term relief rally because we've been going down for so long, and then we can just continue down if we go below this level. But if we hold this level, then yeah, it could be nice bull run, go up again. So that's just something interesting to see on these charts, something to look at, try to pick a side. So going to that total chart right here, like I said, we needed to get past, we needed a nice pump past this 1.5 trillion level. That happened. Nice, looking good, having a nice Monday in this market so far. Going to the total 2 now, we are trying to get out of this last level. So like I said, just like the Bitcoin chart, if we don't pass this level, then it could come back down, maybe hopefully test the 13 or the 34, but if not, come in and test the bottom of these resistance levels again, just to make everybody think it's really over. And at that point, I don't know, it might be really over, who knows. But looking at the Trias token, so a lot of people like the Trias token. It's pretty cool right now. I haven't really talked about Trias because right now they're just in testnet, so they have a different type of testnet going on. It's in the form of a game. Pretty interesting. Read about it. Their liquidity mining event ended. They were successful at adding some new accounts, some new holders. So yeah, it was pretty cool. The liquidity mining, I earned about 20 Trias overall. They didn't put that much into it, but it was pretty cool. And I'm gonna get myself a pair of Trias sneakers coming soon, so I'll let you guys know when I get those Trias Nikes, I guess, coming in. So we'll see what's going on with Trias once they're done with the testnet. I'll post this weekly update, just letting you know what's going on with Trias. And Dafi protocol right now, the newest low cap gem that I talked about on this channel. Basically, if I put it in quick terms, it's basically like a staking as a service for projects that want to offer staking but don't want to, release too many tokens into circulation, because that usually messes things up for the protocol. But what's pretty interesting about this token is this. I'll first show you this tweet that I saw today. It says continuous growth and strong fundamentals. Almost 75 million Dafi locked in super staking, over 30% of the circulating supply, which is pretty dope. Now coming right here, you can see that the market cap is only $5 million, and that's still a low market cap for this token. But what was interesting about it, it says they got 29 plus networks prepared to integrate their D tokens. Time to switch to Dafi. So 29 networks ready to switch, and the market cap is only $5 million. So if each of those projects brings $500,000 worth of value to Dafi, that will be nice gains right there in that token. So hopefully that could happen. So they got their super staking, they got their multiverse networks 2.0. Yeah, like I said, they're offering D tokens. I'll put a link for my Dafi video if you want me to dive deeper into it. I'll also put a link for the website in the description for Dafi. Check out that project. Pretty interesting things going on over there, and it's looking pretty undervalued in my opinion. So none of this is financial advice. Always weigh your risk versus your reward. Right now, like I said, based on these charts, it's looking like we're just going to test these levels again. Nothing is decided as a whole as of yet until we get above these levels and we close them on the weekly chart. But nonetheless, right now we're having some short-term bullish action, and for the people who like to take advantage of the short-term markets, oh look, we are breaking above it right now as I'm recording this video. Nice to see. What's Bitcoin doing? Hopefully Bitcoin is gonna break above it. Let's go to the 4-hour. We need Bitcoin to break above it and try to continue and get to 100K. So total 2 breaking up right now, looking good. So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.